Rahul Gandhi, the opposition has been going on and on for the last 2 years almost now, that ECI is hand in glove with the government, the elections are hacked, EVMs are rigged. Do you think that is what led to the defeat of TMC in Bengal and the defeat of DMK in Tamil Nadu?
TMC have told you, it's not, it was various factors, misgovernance, corruption, arrogance, completely cut off from the masses. The Muslims are not very happy. So basically, and SR also. But as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, we have to respect the verdict. You know, people of Tamil Nadu have given a verdict. We had supported the DMK, but we didn't contest from there.
No, but why do you think it happened? I mean, it's quite an incredible political story.
I know it is. I was expecting the DMK will do well, but end of the day, people of Tamil Nadu decided to vote in favor of Mr. Vijay. So he has his government over there. But surprisingly, all these chief minister candidates lost, you know, from Mamata Banerjee to Mr. Stalin. And again, in their respective constituencies, in SIR, a lot of names were deleted. So you will have to be careful in this SIR. You blink, you're gone. You see, BJP is like a machine. You cannot blink. You cannot, give them an inch or a space. So you'll have to be very... you have to always be on toes.
No, but you are not saying that Election Commission is acting at the behest
See,
of BJP.
I was expecting that after the Supreme Court judgment, the Chief Justice or someone from the judiciary would also be in the selection panel to decide or select the election commissioner, and especially Chief Election Commissioner.
But that's a separate matter.
No. But see, that is very important. That is very important. Now, that will decide the real independence of the ECI, because the Honorable Supreme Court itself had said it. But the government wrongly decided to have a justice minister over there. Now, of course, you have Prime Minister, you have Justice Minister, and then the LOP, so it's 2:1. So you always, the government will always have the advantage.